Hey, this is Logan Shinholster with Contractor Growth Network, and I'm going to walk you through a client of ours that we built out their website. We hooked him with the 3P program, and he's off and running. So let me walk through who we're talking about, what problem they really had, and then how we actually got them to where they wanted to get to. So kind of dialing everything back, 3P method, it's the system that we use for everything. And the idea is that it's not bringing you tons and tons and tons of leads, because that doesn't do anybody any good if the leads suck. So what we like to focus on is quality over quantity. Because if you know that, let's say out of every 10 calls you're gonna get, you are, 7 of them are not even gonna be in the same ballpark as far as what you offer, then what's the point of having them call you? Because all they're gonna do is mess up your confidence, your mojo, and waste your time. So we like to actually filter those people out, so we only bring the best 3 people to you, saving you time, money, and most importantly, confidence in yourself and your value. So this client, his name is Joe, he's Capstone Property Services, and he, on his old website, he was very focused on bathroom and kitchen remodeling. However, for him, the money is in waterproofing, right? So what people typically call him out for is waterproofing services with the intention to then remodel their basement. Right? So what we wanted to do on the website is make sure that those people that want him, whether it's remodeling or waterproofing, it gets kind of split with equal time on the site. Now, when they first come in, they have a couple options. They can either check out their portfolio or schedule a consultation, but we really wanted to hit the basement and the waterproofing aspect of things first. So when people come in, he said the number one reason that people don't usually move forward or don't call him is they think that waterproofing is going to cost them an arm and a leg. He himself, he actually got really sick because of mold and had to miss Christmas, so that he now understands like this is a real problem, and he set out to fix it. So we wanted to bring up all the emotion that people are dealing with when they have water in their basement, right? So rain belongs outside, not inside. You're on water duty. You can't sleep or relax in fear of water actually kind of flooding into your home and destroying your personal items. Now, here's the deal. It's not really a huge flood that we're worried about. What we're doing is we're trying to put an image in people's head. Because what we don't want to do is we don't want to downplay it a lot and go, well, it's just a little bit of water, not a big deal. You can deal with it. We want to let people know that, hey, this is a big deal, because even if you don't see a huge flood, you're going to get some sort of mold. So what we also like to do is call out the issues. Hey, here are some of the identifying factors. Kind of like when you walk in the doctor's office and they say, well, what are the symptoms? Right? When you describe them, when you put them together, it makes sense. So we're trying to give people a reason or a way to say, you know what? Maybe I do need waterproofing because I'm suffering from one of these 6, or maybe a couple of them. All right. Now we like to go into why you need it. It's an unbelievable hazard. And again, we're trying to draw out the emotion, not necessarily go scare tactic, but just bring out the full picture for everybody. Walk through the process. We like to use a method that we call EPP on the website. It goes emotion, process, price. Then we walk through, I just passed it, whoops, the pricing on it. Right? Call it out. Let people know what this stuff costs, because when I talked to Joe, he said most people think it's going to be tens and tens of thousands of dollars, but in reality, the average price is closer to 10 grand. So what we're doing is we're allowing people who maybe have a $1,000, $2,000 budget to say, you know what, this is not the best fit for me. But on the flip side, those people that think it's going to be so much money that they don't move forward, now we're letting them know actually it's affordable. It's ready to go. So with him, he's able to emotionally draw out to the people, hey, this is what we really like to focus on, and this is what we're helping you against. Because we're not just fixing water in the basement, we're fixing all the health issues that go with it. Next, we let them know, and that's the emotion, next we let them know the process of what it's like to work with us, to show, hey, we've got a whole plan. We know what we're doing. This is not our first rodeo. And last but not least, call out what this stuff costs. That's simple. So what it's going to do is it's going to bring people into your world. They're going to love you because you're being transparent. And then last but not least, when you throw out the pricing, the ballpark pricing, what it's going to do is either get those people that want to move forward feeling way more at ease, or it's going to filter out people that are not even close. Those are the 7 out of the 10 people that waste your time. Okay, and that's exactly what's happening with Joe. Now, on the other side of the 3 Ps, which is, you get everything in one. It's a marketing system that is focused on generating quality leads. I know for him, part of the 3 Ps is it's a mini Facebook strategy on how to use your Facebook page to essentially build a following around you. And I know on day number 1 of following the program, he got 2 leads right off of it, the very first post. So this stuff works, and it can work very, very quickly. All right, we want to give you the fish and show you how to fillet it too, the fish being the website, then the other 2 Ps are the filleting instructions. So you're not just getting a website, you're getting a system to generate those high quality leads while filtering out those that are going to waste your time and only bringing in those that want to hire you for your services. All right, that's what we got. Joe from Capstone loves it. Good to go. Thanks, guys.